welcome to my second ever diecast review. I did one of these like in 2017, as I had to revisit it with something I found at Walmart today. It's Chase Elliott's NASCAR Authentic 27th car for 2019. Well, his two cars, the 2-pack. I'm not good at this, so it's probably not going to be very good, this video. But if we look at the packaging, it says NASCAR Authentics, plastic chassis, rolling wheels, Chase Elliott 187. Got a clear picture of the two diecasts included as they are crossing a checkered flag. Got the warning stuff on the bottom, 3+. And on the back, you've got 187, NASCAR Authentics, Hendrick Motorsports, Chase Elliott signature, the two logos of the number 9 that's on these two diecasts, plastic chassis, rolling wheels, 3+. And of course all your copyright stuff if you want to see that. So, packaging looks good. It actually does a pretty good job compared to other NASCAR Authentic stuff I've seen. We're going to compare it to it real quick, so let's jump to that. Packaging comparison between the 164 and 187th scales. You can see that this is my Brakowski liquid color, and pretty similar. This one's got a more rounded shape. This one, however, I kind of would like it if the 164s took this kind of packaging approach, not just in 2-packs, but in their single packs. I think that would look pretty cool, like the checkered flag, a little display piece for people who are collecting these and like to keep them in boxes. One thing is that, I mean, it's kind of hard to tell from where I have these on, but the 187 cars cannot stand and the 164s can. This Kozlowski has a bent-in thing, so it's not able to stand, but the majority of these do stand. So with that packaging comparison out of the way, let's jump to the look at the actual diecast. Close-up look on these two as I hit the little thing. I got them both on here. But I will say these are pretty cool for little trinkets. Let's focus in on this 9 car here. Of course, it's kind of, the one problem with these is it's got like a flat back end, no detailing there. Most of the detailing here is taken with the stickers and the paint, but not really any paint mistakes on this car, which is cool. And then we'll jump to the Mountain Dew. We see, again, not really any paint mistakes. The cool thing, see if it'll focus in here, is that this thing's got the glittery paint that the 164 has. Wouldn't have expected that on a 187. The back end looks really weird on this one though, but it's just a part of these. So we got metal top, plastic bottom. Of course, the tires do move. There is no interior, as they just blacked that out. I mean, for $2, these are pretty good looking. And now let's go ahead and move on to the size comparison. Actually, before we do that, I will show you these two I got in blind bags, so if you see here, every single one of these has the exact same mold. It's just that, of course, the decals on them are different to differentiate the first. Chase is escaping! But they're all, see, they've all got this same flat back part. Logano's got a bunch of scuffs on him. I don't know where that's all from, but anyway. So, yeah, they're pretty much all the same thing. They're just, of course, different drivers, and then they put the different decals on them. So, a bit cost-effective, but a bit, well, less costly for Lionel. But these things are $2 a piece, so I feel like they are perfectly worth being as cheap as they are, because they are real cheap to buy, so they should be cheap to make. Now let's move on to the size comparison. Here's your size comparison here between the different scales of diecast that Lionel makes. They make all 3 now. Here's the 187, the 164, and the 124 scales. So of course they just kind of get higher in quality as you move up. I hate to say that, but these two both have interiors. This one does not. These two both have special molds for each one of the 3 manufacturers. These do not. But you can definitely tell the size difference here, going from a 124 to a 187 scale. But I will say that these are nice little trinkets if you're a younger fan of NASCAR and you, I guess, your parents don't want to spend the $10 to get one of these Gold Series 164 scale cars, then definitely you can pick these up. They are a nice little trinket to buy. So anyway, let's go on the final. Anyway, that will end it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.